Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're looking at an absolutely monumental shift in how businesses are deploying artificial intelligence. Look, we all know generative AI is fantastic for drafting emails or brainstorming ideas, but what happens when you need to power mission-critical enterprise applications? What happens when a single AI hallucination could cost millions of dollars, completely derail a global supply chain, or worse, impact a patient's health? Or imagine a customer support bot confidently giving your users entirely wrong technical instructions. Today, we're moving way beyond basic chat prompts. We're going to explore how pairing large language models with structured data is creating a whole new frontier of highly accurate, reliable AI. Okay, let's dive right into this. We have a packed roadmap for today. We'll quickly cover why traditional AI fails, uncover this killer combination I mentioned, and then we'll walk through 4 high-stakes case studies: accelerating drug discovery, precision medicine, catching financial fraud, and building smarter recommendation systems. Let's get to it. Section 1, Why Traditional AI Fails. To really understand the solution, we first need to pinpoint the problem. Generative AI is revolutionary, no doubt, but it notoriously hits a brick wall in specific business domains where expertise is absolutely non-negotiable. Consider this for a second. Why can't a trained professional, say a cybersecurity analyst or a law enforcement official, just use a standard off-the-shelf LLM to do their job? Well, if a detective asks a standard AI about a complex financial web, the AI might just spit out generic legal definitions like, what is probable cause? That is literally useless to an expert. They don't need textbook definitions. They need highly specific, actionable intelligence pulled from vast webs of interconnected proprietary data. There's a really stark contrast here. Traditional GenAI suffers from stale information, it completely lacks contextual relationships, and it mostly just searches for basic text strings rather than understanding actual things in the real world. Plus, it famously hallucinates when it gets confused. Compare that to what an enterprise actually needs: strict accuracy, domain-specific knowledge, and explainability. A business has to be able to trace exactly how an AI arrived at its conclusion. Which brings us to Section 2, the killer combination. So how do we actually bridge this massive gap? We do it by bringing in a technology that provides the exact things an LLM lacks: context, relationships, and verifiable facts. We are talking about the synergy between knowledge graphs and LLMs. If you're wondering what a knowledge graph is, it's basically a sophisticated structure that represents real-world entities, like people, places, diseases, or proteins, and maps out the meaningful connections between them. Think of it as a highly reliable memory for the AI. It's a meticulously organized digital brain that understands not just the raw facts, but how the whole shebang connects. It's a single source of truth. And the workflow here is just brilliant. We start with unstructured, messy data. Think documents, PDFs, emails. The LLM processes all that text, extracts the relevant entities, and maps them into a structured knowledge graph. Then, when a user asks a natural language question, the system queries this highly accurate graph to find the exact facts. Finally, the LLM takes those verified facts and crafts a natural, digestible answer. This is called GraphRAG. The LLM handles the language, and the graph handles the truth. All right, Section 3, Accelerating Drug Discovery. Let's see this in action by looking at our first major enterprise application, the pharma industry. The stakes here are incredibly high, and the data is overwhelmingly complex. Think about this massive number: $1.4 billion. That's the estimated cost of developing literally one single new therapeutic drug. The financial burden is astronomical, and the likelihood of success during trials is, frankly, remarkably low. And honestly, it gets worse because it's not just money, it's time. 15 years. That's how long it typically takes to get from the discovery of a first compound all the way to putting that drug on the market. That's a massive business problem, and an even bigger human problem when patients are waiting on life-saving treatments. So by using knowledge graphs, pharmaceutical companies can drastically slash these timelines and costs. Instead of starting entirely from scratch, the AI can practically read vast, pre-existing networks of approved drugs, toxicology profiles, and clinical trials. It's like a giant puzzle. It predicts complex drug interactions and can even identify existing drugs that can be repurposed to treat entirely new diseases, completely bypassing years of clinical studies. Section 4, Precision Medicine in Healthcare. Moving from drug development to direct patient care, let's look at how this exact same technology handles some of the most sensitive data on Earth. The ultimate goal of precision medicine is to tailor treatments to a person's specific genetics and lifestyle. But doing that requires integrating highly subjective, electronic health records with incredibly complex biological data, like genomics or proteomics. And crucially, we have to do this while strictly maintaining patient privacy. Well, knowledge graphs solve this. These store statistical relationships and their weights rather than raw, sensitive patient data. It guarantees privacy while still finding those vital patterns. Imagine an incredibly intricate web, a unified clinical knowledge graph. It harmonizes biological data by connecting 33 different types of nodes, from genes to diseases, using 51 distinct relationship types. With this unified, zoomed-out view, the AI can safely reveal confounding health factors or suggest specific drugs for regulated proteins. It is completely transforming clinical decision-making. Moving on to Section 5, Catching Financial Fraud. We're going to leave the biological realm now and enter the digital one to look at cybersecurity and financial crime. How do we catch hackers and fraudsters hiding in massive transaction networks? Now, what's really interesting about this is how we can adapt existing algorithms for entirely new purposes. You might know PageRank. It's the algorithm Google originally used to rank web pages. Well, in a knowledge graph, we can compute a fraud-weighted PageRank. Instead of looking for popular websites, this algorithm assigns way more weight to connections coming from known fraudulent nodes. It maps out a node's specific relationship to illicit activity, instantly shining a spotlight on bad actors. To actually predict those fraud probabilities, we apply graph neural networks, or GNNs. When you break down the performance of different models, it's pretty revealing. While models like GAT, Graph Attention Networks, are strong, the GraphSage model really takes the crown here. It correctly classifies about 83% of illicit nodes and 99% of licit, legal nodes. This means it has an incredibly low misclassification rate. Fewer than 1 in 5 illicit nodes slip through the cracks. It's an absolute game changer for financial security. Section 6, Smarter Recommendation Systems. From catching criminals, let's transition to something you probably experience every single day. Whether it's streaming movies or online shopping, how do platforms know what we're going to want next? When trying to predict the exact link between a user and a movie they'll genuinely like, different graph neural networks perform differently. Here, the Graph Convolutional Network, or GCN, which essentially looks at a user's entire neighborhood of interactions, is superior. It achieves the highest recall, meaning it comprehensively captures your true ratings and intent. Sage is close, but GAT actually struggles here. By picking the right graph model, companies can deeply understand user intent and dramatically boost engagement. And finally, the ROI and democratization. We've seen how this tech impacts pharma, healthcare, finance, and consumer tech, but it doesn't stop there. GraphRAG is revolutionizing customer support by instantly connecting help desk tickets to exact product manuals, and it's transforming supply chain intelligence by mapping global logistics bottlenecks. Let's bring all this together to talk about the ultimate business impact. The core takeaway here is democratization and return on investment. Look, LLMs are incredibly expensive to train and run. But with this architecture, you use the expensive LLM to build your knowledge graph just once. After that, you query the graph indefinitely for cheap, highly accurate answers. It breaks down technical barriers, allowing non-technical teams to explore relational data from entirely new angles, and it fosters incredible cross-functional collaboration. By eliminating those dreaded hallucinations and grounding AI in structural truth, knowledge graphs are making highly specialized AI affordable and collaborative for everyone. So I want to leave you with this thought. Think about the messy, complex, hidden connections inside your own organization right now. How could mapping your proprietary data into a knowledge graph unlock your industry's next major breakthrough? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I hope it sparks some amazing new ideas for your own enterprise.